Hi, Dave again, the Yoga Tablet 2. Today we're going to show you how to get into the BIOS from within Windows. With the advent of Windows 8 and 8.1, getting into the BIOS is a bit different than any other operating system. To start, you swipe in from the right to bottom, click Settings. At the very bottom, click Change PC Settings. Over on the left, down at the bottom, you're going to see Update and Recovery. Choose it. At the bottom again, you're going to see Recovery. Let it finish working over here. Got a little spinning circle going on. Now choose Recovery. Now you want Advanced Startup. It's at the bottom. This is what you want to choose if you want to start up from a device or disk, such as a USB drive or DVD. And you would need a cable to connect to a flash drive or a CD drive, a DVD drive, anything you want to boot from. You're going to have to get a micro USB to a regular USB female cable. But to get here, we want to choose Advanced Startup. This will restart the PC. And this is the same in any laptop running Windows 8 or 8.1. Choose an option. At the bottom it says Troubleshoot. Refresh or reset your PC or use advanced tools. So click Troubleshoot. There's your advanced options. Choose it. Over on the right, you're going to see UEFI firmware settings. Change settings in your PC's UEFI firmware. This is what we want. This is going to restart to change your firmware settings. So click Restart. Now my serial number is going to show up here, so I don't want that seen. So let's try to mask it right here. That's the BIOS page you're going to see. That's the information. That has your product name, the BIOS version, the serial number, the CPU, the system memory that's in there, the name of the storage that you have, the hard drive. This is where your information is stored. So if you lost your documentation and you don't know your serial number for warranty purposes, this is how you can find it. Now we're going to choose configuration at the top here. And the touchscreen doesn't work as well within the BIOS as it does within Windows, so be patient. You're going to have to click it multiple times, which is what I'm doing right now. And that eventually will bring you up to this page. This is your configuration page. There's various options here. This is where Secure Boot is enabled. If you are going to boot from anything that isn't formatted for UEFI, then you're going to have to disable Secure Boot. If you do disable Secure Boot, when you boot back into Windows, it is going to enable BootLocker or BitLocker recovery. You're going to have to go to a Microsoft website on another PC to get the key to enter So you will be able to boot into Windows. If you don't do that, you're just going to have to go back into the BIOS and re-enable Secure Boot. So it's easier if you're going to boot from a flash drive. Prepare the flash drive as a UEFI flash drive, and then you won't have any of this to deal with. So this is where you would change anything for booting. We're not going to change anything. I'm just going to exit. You can touch exit down here, and again, the touchscreen doesn't work as good in the BIOS as it does within Windows. And this will boot back into Windows. And that's how you get into the BIOS in Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. Thanks.